Welcome back. I'm your host, Darnell Jackson. In this crypto report, we're going to be talking about Sol. Who told you to sell it? But first, make sure you subscribe to your favorite channel on YouTube. Shout out to all the subscribers. Okay, let's jump over to the agenda. We are talking about, would you sell your soul? Who told you to buy it? Of course, we're talking about Solana cryptocurrency. Relax. Let's jump over to what people are saying now. Of course, everybody's telling you to buy Solana right now, right? That's the latest news on Twitter. Everybody's talking about their longing soul. Here's Skanks Futures. Alright, everybody's saying that now. This report is going to be about who told you first. That's what we want to talk about now, so you can develop the right perspective with some of these voices on the internet. Now, let's jump over to the articles. We're talking about Solana. This report from Daily Hodl: institutions pouring money into Solana and Cardano. Current rate is outpacing both Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is from CoinShares. Digital asset manager CoinShares says Ethereum competitor Solana recorded more institutional capital inflows than any other crypto asset last week. In its weekly report, the firm says Solana recorded more than twice the amount of institutional capital than Ethereum. And we know that Ethereum has already been beating Bitcoin in many important metrics. So what does this mean? Now, here's another report from Cointelegraph. Solana hits record high with price up over 218% in 6 weeks. What's behind the rally? Solana prices printed another milestone. This article was published a day ago. It's talking about Solana hitting $85 on August 27th. I can tell you it has even surpassed that by the time of my crypto report here today. So the point of this post is to actually bring attention to who told you to sell, to who told you to buy your soul. Okay, I don't know who told you to sell your soul. We want to know who told you to buy your soul. Now, let's go back some months. We're not going to deal with the come recently people, but if we go 3 months back, we see BitBoy Crypto, the often criticized, often envied BitBoy Crypto has a video talking about what he is calling a final Ethereum killer, Solana.
It's a future that
now, if this isn't a strong
future. We know the big players: Ethereum, Cardano, BSC, Polkadot.
Recommendation.
There's a newcomer to the fray.
Cosign for Solana, and I don't know what is. Let's see if we can get some audio on this video.
Could make you a ton of money along the way.
We gotta turn off the
Solana,
Bluetooth.
I hope you're listening.
We're having technical difficulties.
Smart contract space is the one
and we're gonna work through it right now. Let's listen to BitBoy right now talking about Solana. He calls it the final ETH killer.
In all of crypto, it allows for a decentralized internet, which will be peer-to-peer, censorship-resistant, and for the people. It's a future that I want to live in,
this
not
is
a
3
great
months ago.
reset future. We know the big players: Ethereum, Cardano, BSC, Polkadot. But there's a newcomer to the fray. that you have to know about. This one is going to shift the way you think about blockchain and smart contracts.
April 29th.
And could make you a ton of money along the way. I'm talking about
Correct.
Solana, and I hope you're listening. Let's get it.
He's talking about Solana. This was April 29th.
BitSwap is the
This was in the
hottest new
spring.
way to trade tokens, crawling
All right, so that tells you, had you listened to BitBoy, at least on this particular video, you would be up. Now, let's check out another video. Make sure you subscribe to BitBoy, by the way. This is another one of my favorite YouTubers, Invest Answers. He published this video a month after BitBoy in May, having a conversation about, should I buy Solana? Is Sol worth it? And he published this detailed study, and he also included price predictions. The interesting thing about this video is that his not only has his predictions come true, but his price targets are almost nailing it. So make sure you subscribe to Invest Answers and you tell him that I sent you. Let's check out this video.
Over a 10-year period. Welcome in. This is going to be a fun one today. We've got a lot of material to go through, and we're going to talk about Solana. And this is probably the project I'm most excited about of all of them. And
he says it's the project that he's most excited about out of all of them. He said that in May, on May 17th of 2021.
And in full disclosure, I have a position in Solana. I entered it
Admits
recently,
to having
and it's
some.
trading at about $44, $45 today as we speak.
It was 45
So this
bucks.
channel's about math, money, and
Today,
freedom.
it's over
and this
90.
is edutainment. Please do your own research. I'm going to give you all the tools that you need to be able to make your own decision about this investment. Okay? So, as
nailed
usual,
it.
we'll go through the 10-step process. This is the third time I've done this. You know, what it does, how it plays, industries it'll disrupt, its ranking, growth, value prop.
So he has this process that he goes through. I want you to see two content creators that called Solana before everybody else, not these Johnny-come-latelys on Twitter who are all talking about it today. No. Now, speaking about what Solana has done, you can see where it is. I'm here on CoinGecko. All of the coins here are sorted by market cap. And you can see Bitcoin under 1 trillion, ETH under 400 billion, ADA approaching 100 billion, Binance 75 billion, Tether 65 billion. And then you get down to Solana, just under 30 billion, creeping up on Doge, which is struggling to get back to 30 cents. So big projections right now for Sol. They're talking about $200. So they're talking about another doubling for Sol. What do you think? Let's look at the performance so far. You can see 7 days. It's been up in a month. It has been up 24 hours, 8%. 7 days, 26%. 14 days, 100%. 30 days, almost 200%. In a year, over 2,200%. All right. Thank you for liking this video. Make sure you share this with your friends. If you didn't like this video, check out all the other videos that I published, and keep watching one until you find one you like. Until tomorrow, one.